the commitment from the 5-time champ. You really can't. Watch this. Wow. And he comes back for more. Around the outside. And closes down the door. And in one foul swoop, he goes into second position. Still got some work to do. Prado tries to respond immediately. But Herlings makes sure there is no comeback. Late charge again for Herlings. Watch this here. Just goes long on the downhill, back on the gas. As they're braking and hitting all those bumps on the inside, look, he's just railed around the outside, picks the line, sticks with it, got held up there though. He's 11 seconds behind Jeremy Seawer.